Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Hardik Rawal. In the previous video, we talk about array and object structuring. In this video, we will talk about var, let and const keyword. Okay, so let's get started. So var is a function scope variable. Okay, so the variable which is declared with the var keyword, that is a function scope. Then we have a let. So let is a block scope. So whatever the variable we declare with the let keyword, that will be a block scope. And same as a let, we have a const, that is also a block scope variable. Okay, so let's see. So let me create one function here, say hello. Okay, and I will call the function down here. Now in this function I will create a for loop. So let's say var a equal to 0. As long as the value of a is less than 5, I want to do the increment by a plus plus, and here I would just do a console log with a. Okay, so let's run this program. So I'm going to use Node to run this program. You can run it into the browser as well. So here I will be use node index.js. So surely we get the result, right? 0 to 4. Now there is one issue with this approach. So let's say if I do console.log here as well, and this is something outside of this for loop, let's see what we get here. So I'm going to clear the screen, run the program again. See, we get 5 here. So in other programming language other than JavaScript, we don't have this behavior actually. So wherever you have declared the variable, that variable will not be available outside of that block. That's why I said the variable we declare with the var keyword, those are the function scope. So to overcome to this issue, instead of var we can use let keyword. So in this case, this variable a will not be available outside of this for loop. So let's see, going to run this program again. See, we get the error, a is not defined. So this variable we have declared here will not be available outside of this for loop. Okay, so I would say use let instead of var. That's we don't have to face the issue like the variable still exists even if we have declared in somewhere in the block. Okay, so that's the main difference between var and let. Now we have a const. So const is also a block scope. It means that wherever we have declared the variable, that variable will not be available outside of that block. But other than that, it's a it's a constant. So of course we cannot override the value of the variable which we have declared with the const keyword. So let's see. So let's say I am going to declare what variable. Let's say const equal to name, let's say John, and now of course I will do console.log. I will get the result, right? So just going to clear the screen. So we get the John here, that is for sure. Now if I try to redeclare the same variable with different value, or if I try to override it, let's say the Hardik, and then again I will try to do the console log. So let's see what we get here. So I'm going to run this program again. Okay, node index.js. So we get the assignment to constant variable error. Okay, so we cannot reassign the value to that variable. So that's the that's the constant. If we don't want to accidentally override the variable, we can choose the const, otherwise we can choose the let. Now as I said, const is also a block scope. So let's say I have variable called message equal to let's say hello. I just want to show you the, so if the message has a value, I want to put this stuff here. Now I want to copy the same code and I want to redeclare that variable with, let's say, Hardik here. Now I'm declaring the same variable here in the second if, but it would allow me to redeclare the same variable because the scope of this name variable is only available in the if statement, will not be available outside of the if. So if that's the case, I should be getting John as well as the Hardik into the console. So let's see. Let me clear the screen. See, we get the John and Hardik as well. So that said, const is also a block scope, let is also a block scope. Const will not allow you to override the value. You cannot reassign that variable, and if you do want to reassign the variable, you can use let. Let would allow you to reassign the variable, as well as it's a block scope variable. And if there is a really strong reason to use var, and then use var. Otherwise you should be start using let and const instead. Okay, thank you so much for watching.